Now we are going to start the volumetric analysis. What for? Here in the bracket, just for superpave data. Design data. Here I would like to tell you one thing. This volume, we are studying the volumetric analysis for both design methods, for the superpave as well as master mix design method. So it is common between these two. So yeah, I have already uploaded my lectures about this volumetric analysis, but here, because I have to use all these values in my coming calculation, so that's why again I will go on explaining it over here. This volumetric analysis consists of these air voids represented by VA, voids in mineral aggregate, VMA, third, voids filled with asphalt, VFA. These are our volumetric parameters. Regarding this, we have to find out. First of all, we will explain our air voids. For this air voids, we are going to use the equation GMM minus GMB over GMM into 100. You know, when I was teaching about the bulk specific gravity of the mix, that time I had told you that this is very vital because it is used for the determination of the volumetric property. Now the stage is over here, okay, that I will determine the volumetric property by using this equation. And all these values are known to us. Just keep this in mind. We have the three blend. Blend 1, blend 2. These are the three blends. With these three blends, let me tell you about the percentage of the binder used over here. In the blend number 1, it is 4.4%. Sorry, 4.5%. In the blend 2, 4.4%. And in the blend number 3, 4.6%. Although we have not used over here, but it is just written for your understanding, for your information. Okay, that which type of the blend is having which type of the value. Now with these blends, whatever the value I have to use it over here, GMM. 2.670 at the trial blend number 1. Second, 2.671 at the trial blend number 2. And last one, 2.666. These are the values of the theoretical maximum specific gravity determined at these percentages of the binder content. Then we have prepared the mixture by using these amount of the binder content, and the value of their bulk specific gravity comes out to be GMB. Here its value 2.558. Second value is 2.569. And third value is 2.579. Let me tell you one thing. If these values, which I have circled over here, if these values are put in this equation, we are going to get the amount of air voids which is represented by VA. Let me tell you again. Because this is the value of GMM, it would be written over here. This is the value of GMB, it would be written over here. Then GMM would be written over here, multiply by 100. Whatever the value comes, it will be put in this table. And that value comes out to be 4.2%. Next, if these values are put in this equation, we are going to get 3.8%. Similarly, if these two values are put in this equation, these value, then we are again going to get 3.8%. So these are the values which we have obtained by putting these values. So I am writing these values directly. As I have already told you, okay, please, this initial data is available to you, the equation is available to you. Try to find out these values by your own way. Okay? Thank you for seeing this.